That is São Domingos, 1506. 19th of April, 1506 is when this... Welcome to Lisbon. I've spent a good amount of time getting lost in this city, from the biggest landmarks to the tiny, hidden tascas only locals know about. And yeah, I've made some mistakes so you don't have to. The secret is all in the prep. This isn't me telling you not to go. This is me making sure that when you go, you experience the real magical Lisbon that is just waiting to be discovered off the main tourist path. So, if you want to dodge the pitfalls and unlock an incredible first visit, stay right where you are. First up, the iconic yellow Tram 28. It is on every postcard, a symbol of old world Lisbon charm, winding through the most iconic neighborhoods. Although it is a hotbed for pickpockets, so I recommend, if possible, you just walk the Tram 28 route through the Alfama district. The Teja Power Station. This was a thermoelectric power plant owned by the United Gas and Electric Companies, which supplied power to the city and the entirety of the Lisbon region. It is located in the Belem district of Portugal's capital, and its activity spanned from 1909 to 1972. Although by the year 1951, it was being used as a reserve power station for the city. It now houses the Museum of Electricity and shares this beautiful complex with the Museum of Art, Architecture and Technology, or MAAT. Designed by Amanda Levet, MAAT's program opened on 30th June 2016 with about 4 exhibitions. Spend the day in Belem. Mostrar dos Jerónimos. You see that line there? Yeah. Come early if you want to see the full beauty of this monastery. It is a former monastery of the Order of St. Jerome near the Tagus River. Designed by Diogo de Boitaga, it was erected in the early 1500s, and in 1983, the monastery was classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, along with the nearby Tower of Belem. This is the Tower of Belem, completed in 1519. By the way, if these secrets are already making you rethink your Lisbon plans for the better, do me a quick favor, like this video and hit that subscribe button. Want more on Lisbon? Visit adventureswithjewel.com. My goal is to help you travel smarter, and you don't want to miss the other insider tips that the guidebooks usually seem to leave out. This is the Monument of Discoveries, a monument on the northern bank of the Tagus River estuary. Located along the river where ships departed to explore trade with India and the East. The monument celebrates the Portuguese Age of Discovery, or really the Age of Exploration, during the 15th and 16th century. Okay, this might sound trivial, but I am so serious. Wearing the wrong shoes is one of the fastest ways to ruin your trip to Lisbon. You might think those stylish sandals or your trendy flat-soled sneakers are a good idea. They're not. Lisbon is famously called the City of Seven Hills, and they are not kidding. You'll be walking up and down steep inclines all day long. But the hills are only half the battle. The real ankle twisters are the beautiful but treacherous cobblestone sidewalks. These little polished stones are everywhere, and they can be incredibly slippery, even when they are bone dry. I've seen people slip and slide on a perfectly sunny day. Happened to me. Wearing shoes without good grip, like flip-flops or heels, is a recipe for disaster. Pack your most comfortable walking shoes and double check that they have excellent grip. This is the Commerce Plaza in downtown Lisbon, with a statue of King Jose I in the center. In June 1910, just a few months before the establishment of the Portuguese Republic, the plaza was classified as a national monument of Portugal. Fun fact, the plaza is home to the oldest cafe in the city, Matinho de Arcada, established in 1782. It also houses the monumental Posada Hotel. I'd love to hear from you. For anyone who's been to Lisbon, what is your biggest "I wish I knew that" moment or your best discovery? Drop your questions and comments down below to help out fellow travelers. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more adventures.